The clown's ad wasn't good enough. People didn't get it. I could fire you. Instead, I'm going to teach you a lesson. Drink some of this. In here. Brace yourself, Michael. Okay, Michael, I've made my point. Get out.
For you to recommend a foundation to your friends, it would have to be really special. Well, according to an independent survey of women who tried a Ulay foundation, 4 out of 5 said they would recommend it to a friend. After all, not only does it make your skin feel soft and helps give you a flawless look, it does both all day long. And the name of the foundation women would recommend? All Day Moisture Foundation from Oil of Ulay. We can prove long-lasting colour can care.
I've tasted chips that have won prizes in Peking. I've had a card that was a god among them all. Sniffed out Britain's favourite meal, even seen a place on wheels. I thought I'd seen it all, but I've never seen fish and chips like this, no matter where I've been.
With new crisp, bubbly batter.
Young's fish like you've never seen.
Young's, fish like you've never seen.
La da da, la da 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 da.
What are these? They're from Happy Video Rentals.
Happy? They'll be ecstatic with the money you waste on overdue fines. These should have been back ages ago. Take them back and do the shopping while you're at it.
Softener, washing powder. Oh, don't need softener. Money waster.
Lovely and fresh. This boulder's marvellous. Spend a fortune, did you?
No separate softener, so it was over £1 less.
Great.
I guess I won't be taking the bulb back, will I?
You don't want to do the washing up too often. Do it badly. Right, watch this. Oh, no, I've forgotten this. Now the water's all greasy.
Really?
It's all right for you, you're the expert.
You're doing brilliantly.
Fairy liquid captures greasy dirt and holds onto it. So even at the end of the wash, a glass can still come out sparkling.
See? Looks as good as the first one. You can wash up more often.
Fairy.
Trust Fairy to do the dirty work.